everyone, this is Mimi and I'm back for another video lesson. Today's video will demonstrate how these four blocks vary from one another. We have the normal block or the base. Additionally, we have the joke block, class, and invisible block. Base and joke block have a similar appearance but they are distinct in other ways. Class and invisible block may appear same but they are distinct just as these two blocks are. Glass is opaque, while invisible block is transparent but has a warping effect. While the remaining blocks are impenetrable, we can walk in through the joke block. This is the result of applying physics to those blocks. If you remove gravity, only three things will float, while the joke block will remain on the ground. Anyway, that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something from the video lesson I presented today. Again, this is Mimi, your Global Zepetor Class Map Mentor. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me on any of my social media accounts. I will attach link to the comment section, so be sure to check it later. Goodbye everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos.